Hey mates, what's up? Welcome back to CP Breeze Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to take crypto payments peer-to-peer on your website. So as you can see, this is a shop. You choose your product, add to chart, view chart, fill your information, choose the cryptocurrency you would like to pay with, and then you scan with your phone. And as you can see, the payment arrives immediately to your wallet. That's it, so let's begin. Okay, so in order to take crypto payments in our shop, we will need payment processor. Some people call it payment gateway processor, but I'm believing the point-to-point methodology. I don't want a middleman interrupt while someone pay direct to our wallet. So what I will do, I'll show you how to use this plugin. It's called MyCryptoCheckout. As you can see, if you go here, support all those platforms. And the good thing about it, customer bypass the middleman. You don't need payment processor that take fees or can custody your funds or block you or require the KYC and documentations. So that's the advantage of this plugin. You can see key feature: zero transfer fee, peer-to-peer transaction, any crypto wallet, no third party interfere or click. You see how you can implement it. The problem with the middleman, as you can see, transaction fee is kind of a problem, but fund seizing, that's annoying. If you do everything legally, why you need to provide information, documentation just to get paid? And data collection is also a big thing. They monitor everything about you, and as you can say, not your key, not your coins. The moment if there is a middleman, even if it's for 1-2 seconds, they can block your transaction and the funds are gone. And it's a problem to your customers and for you as well. So you can see the supported coins, plenty of coins. Check XMR, Bitcoin, let's see, Litecoin, Ethereum. Yeah, all the big names here. Pepe, Putin. Okay. So the issue with this plugin is that you get only 5 transactions per month for free. The peer-to-peer, zero fees, limited support. If you want yearly, it's 57 and almost 150 unlimited lifetime. But there are more solutions I will show you in the future. But if you like this plugin and solution, why not to pay if you have many customers and you want P2P, not be dependent on the middleman. And you can write your own plugin, by the way. Now with the AI, it's very easy. Okay, so let's begin to set up the payment. Okay, so we will go to plugins and I will add this plugin, MyCryptoCheckout. Here it is. See more details, good reviews. I have a couple of bad reviews, you can go over it later. Install it, activate. Make sure you install the correct plugin, not some scammy plugin. Okay, it's installed. Let's go to settings. Okay, let's go over the settings briefly. So 7R, that's the way the plugin recognizes your account. License, you have the free one. Yeah, I already use payment processing, so I have 4 more payments for this month. You can see the exchange rate update. Let's go to currencies. Okay, so here is the imported stuff. Let's set the currency we want to get. We need to enter the wallet address, and then if someone pay, we will get to this address. So let me show you live. Let's set quickly a wallet. Let's set a Monero wallet. Of course, don't share those seeds with no one. Okay, open the wallet. Let it sync a bit. Now we will set it up. So receive, let's set up address only for this wallet, only for this website. Okay, copy it. Let's choose XMR Monero, paste it here, and we need the view key. Paste it here, save setting. Okay, so we set a Monero. Let me add a couple of more wallets. That's for the demonstration. I will fast forward it. I want to spend your time. Alright, so we have 4 wallets. Now let's set up Bitcoin. Receive addresses. You can choose one of your addresses or create new one. Let's choose this one. Choose here Bitcoin. Paste the address. Save. Alright, let's add Litecoin. Save. Paste your address, save. And let's add Ethereum as well. Okay, so let's manage the location. I want people use Monero first, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So it's all set. If you add to wallet some currency, it will go, as you can see, choose the order in sequence. So it's the first 1, 2, 3. Let's go to global settings. Go over it briefly. You can add a markup amount if someone use crypto, or you can give a discount. Let's say if someone pay with crypto, you get like 5% discount. Okay. If you have other payment processing. Okay, that's it basically for the settings of the plugin, MyCryptoCheckout. Now let's go to WooCommerce payments. Let's disable the other payment methods that I said before. Yeah, the cash on delivery. Let's disable it. Save settings. Okay, go back. Okay, enable MyCryptoCheckout. Manage. The options we have here, yeah, it's enabled. Test mode if you want to check only. Send email if someone send invoice. You can change the name like 5% discount if you want. Let's keep it on default. Text currency selection, you can say XMR preferred or whatever you want. You can choose the colors. Let's see, like brand colors. When payment complete, what it will show, the status, and how many hours for the payment. Let's say 2 hours. Okay. Now you have more options here. You can play with it. Okay, let's save. Now let's go back to the shop in a different browser. Let's say I want to buy this shirt. You know what, let me change the price fast because it's a bit expensive for the demonstration. So let's go to products and I will change the price. Let's put it on sale for today for $1. Okay. Save changes, update, and let's refresh. Okay, $1. Choose black, medium. Okay, have promotion $1. That's a good price. Let's buy it. Add to chart. Let's do view chart. Okay, yeah, that's the shirt. Proceed to checkout. Okay, as you can see, Monero is a default. Now we need to fill the billing details. So let me use some address, for example. Let's say the White House. Okay, so let's fill first name Johnny, the Shaman, CP Breeze, Tech, United States, street address. I already have it here. Okay, state Washington, email address Trump@White House. Okay, we filled it, and for some reason the colors here are not look the best. As you can see, we can choose the currency we want. Let's choose Monero. You can go over the privacy policy, of course. Place an order. All right, as you can see, the colors have some problem. I need to check it out later. You can go over the details. Okay, so now we will scan, and we should receive directly to our wallet. So let's open the Monero wallet, and I'll let it sync. In the meanwhile, I will use my cell phone to scan and pay. Alright, so I'm recording my screen. We open the wallet, and let's scan. Okay, as you can see, we got discount for 5 cents because I create discount. Okay, send, generate transaction. and send. Alright, see, and as you can see, it arrived immediately to our wallet. Okay, we scan, you already paid. So now basically Kim will say open until all the confirmation will be finished. So I guess you need to wait. Maybe leave a comment here when someone pay, please wait 10 confirmation, and then you will see the order complete. Okay, complete, yeah, fantastic. Okay, let's see how it's behind the stage. Let's go back to the WooCommerce and let's go to orders. Yeah, okay, payment, pending payment. By the moment it will finish processing the payment, it will move to processing, and then you will send the customer the item, send him an email, and mark as complete. Update. You can see your customers joining the shaman from the White House. That's how you take crypto payment peer-to-peer. Okay, that's what I have for you for today. If you want me to cover more payment processors, if this is interesting topic, it's very interesting niche. And of course, like, subscribe, write a question if you have in your comments. I'll be more than happy to answer as soon as possible. Thank you, have a nice day, and all the best. Cheers.